Salam everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How ability? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I'm about to meet brother Asad again. It has been so long, y'all. So yeah, today we are going to pavilion, do some vlogging and take some photos. Stay tuned. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, like, comment and share this video to all your friends. All right, see you. His name is?
Yeah, it's me.
Asad.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm happy to hear how British channel.
Alhamdulillah.
All Salam from, I think they are Somali.
Yeah, most of them from
most
Somalia.
of the Somali.
Yeah.
So I talk in Somali.
Yeah, you can talk in Somali.
MashaAllah, wadin salame. Asxaabta ku xiran how British maanta ana marti tahay kulli channelkeedan marti ku ahay. Waana ku faraxsanahay in how British agteeda aan joogo. Kulli MashaAllah, I'm happy.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to say thank you guys, thank you so much for all the Somali subscribers from his channel.
Yeah,
so thank you guys so much, and please, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know him, like you have let's say Malay or we never know, just go and subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, I'm the big guy. Come follow me.
So yeah, we're gonna do some photo shooting, and who knows, maybe we will do some challenge and everything. So stay tuned.
Photo shoot today. Hawa now is Mrs. Africa. The competition is Africa. Beautiful dress, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Some photos before sunset.
Inshallah.
Yeah. MashaAllah, waxaan soo saarayo waa
We are going to our second destination to take some beautiful picture again with my brother.
Yeah.
And mashallah, he's so kind.
We continue taking photos.
Yeah.
So, do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have Instagram.
The pictures maybe will do upload the Instagram.
Yeah, on Instagram. So go and follow me on Instagram, okay? How
I
to
like
say
it.
that?
I like the pictures.
Exactly.
Yeah.
How to say that in Somali?
Like.
No, how to say go and follow me on Instagram?
Bah. Bah isora.
Pah isora.
Sora. Yeah.
Okay, everyone pah isora. Okay.
Yeah, bah isora.
Yeah. Wow, mashallah, I don't know if you guys can see, but this place is amazing. Look at the design, the architecture and everything. beautiful. Wow. So still working on the video. We just finished taking some photo here. Look how beautiful this place is. Mashallah, I really love it. And here is brother Asad and his friend. And yeah, brother Asad asked me if I'm single. I told him that I'm married.
Yeah.
And all the time he keeps saying that he's single. Are you sure?
Yeah. You are not single, huh?
I'm not single, but are you single? You see? So this is not true. Every time you're saying you are single, you are not single.
They know me.
No, okay, wait. Me, I have wife for you.
Yeah. You
I have a wife for you.
for your country, from your country.
It doesn't matter.
Is she pretty like you? I like it, man.
She's taller than me.
Tall.
Yeah,
Where is she from?
she's from my country.
Oh.
Mashallah, she's very tall.
Top secret, top secret.
No problem. So alhamdulillah, the day is already over. I'm almost at home, and I just wanted to say thank you so much, brother Asad.
Yeah, sure. You're welcome. You're welcome, Briti.
It's so dark.
Yes, but we have light.
Yeah.
Yeah, alhamdulillah, we arrived house home. Inshallah, thank you for your time, anything. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you again. Inshallah. Okay, Hawa, waa ina wada imaaday gurigeeda keenay. Marka inshallah waxaan rajeynayaa inaa Hawa subscribe u saar doontaan channelkeeda oo aad la socotaan oo aadna garab taagnaataan inshallah. Bye Hawa.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.